Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to easily connect Mailchimp to SMS and automate messages to your audience, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link Mailchimp to SMS using Zapier, so you can engage your contacts even more effectively. Don't worry if you've never done this before, we'll walk through every step together nice and easy. Let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Mailchimp is where all your email contacts and campaigns live, and it's the perfect home base for automating your marketing. Once you're logged in, look for the Integrations option on your dashboard. This is where you add extra tools and connect Mailchimp with other apps. Taking a moment to explore integrations is always worthwhile. Mailchimp connects with tons of useful services, and today we're linking it up with SMS. Now, within the Integrations section, you'll see a search bar. Type the word Zap into the search box. What we're looking for is Zapier, which is an incredibly powerful tool that acts like a bridge. It connects apps that normally wouldn't talk to each other and automates tasks behind the scenes. Think of it as setting up traffic signals for your data, directing information exactly where it needs to go. Once Zapier pops up in your search results, click to select it. At this point, you're inside the Zapier integration panel within Mailchimp. In the next search box that appears, type SMS. What we want here is SMS by Zapier, which will let you automate text messages anytime something happens in Mailchimp, like when a new subscriber joins your list or an email campaign is sent out. Imagine it like setting up a chain reaction. Mailchimp makes the first move, and Zapier automatically sends an SMS in response. Go ahead and select SMS by Zapier from the list of integration options. You might see a few similar choices, but you're looking for the one that actually says SMS by Zapier. Select that, and you'll move forward to setting up what's called a Zap, which is just a fancy name for an automated workflow. Now comes the fill-in-the-blanks part. You'll need to follow the on-screen instructions, and this might take a few moments, so don't rush. Zapier is taking you step by step through the setup. It'll ask you for details like which Mailchimp list you want to monitor, what should trigger an SMS, and what message you want your contacts to receive. Take your time here. A thoughtful message sent at just the right moment can really grab someone's attention. If you're not sure what to write, think about common questions you get from your audience or important updates they'd appreciate right away. Once you've filled everything out and double-checked your info, simply hit Publish. This is the magic button that puts your new integration in place. From now on, when your trigger happens in Mailchimp, an SMS will automatically be sent, no extra work or programming required. And that's it. You've just supercharged your communication, making sure your contacts get important info by text on top of email. So congrats on setting up your Mailchimp to SMS integration using Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another automation you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a how-to guide or tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.